Hi guys, I'm here with ACIERO Digital Marketing in Amsterdam. I'm talking with the CEO, Luciana ACIERO. So, Luciana.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh,
Tell me, I hear some people who say that the Facebook ads don't work for them.
Oh.
How is that possible?
Now.
And what can you do about it? Two questions.
What can I do about it? And why? It's not true that Facebook ads don't work. Many people who come to that conclusion have even never used Facebook ads.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the funny thing. When someone says Facebook ads don't work, second question you should ask them is, have you run some Facebook ads? And what were you trying to gain from those Facebook ads? And most of the time, some business owners have tried using Facebook ads, but the problem is they are not experts in marketing. So they don't know how to target the audience they are reaching for.
So tell me, are you an expert in marketing?
Of course, why would I have a marketing company?
Oh, well, many people say they have a marketing company, but I don't know how to choose. Why should I choose for ABM? Why should I choose for ACIERO Digital Marketing?
Now, I don't have to convince anyone to choose me.
Okay.
They have to make the choice themselves.
Yes.
The thing is, with entrepreneurs who are complaining about Facebook ads, they're doing it the wrong way. Facebook is so easy. And sometimes your audience isn't even on Facebook, although Facebook has 2 billion users. Yeah. So depending on what you're actually trying to gain and actually what your goal is, also determines the conversion. If you're just an entertainment company and you're looking for people to watch your videos, yeah, I think Facebook ads would work.
So what is all possible with Facebook ads?
You have to learn the platform.
Examples.
Yeah, you have to learn the platform. The platform is it's a big platform. It has a lot of options. You have pixels that actually can retarget your users, people who have visited your website. You can remarket, you can get new clients, you can target anyone in the world. You can choose if you want female clients, male clients, which age, what they do, job titles, anything, household income, audiences. Build audiences. It's so easy. You can build custom audiences. You can build lookalike audiences. Wow. So Facebook ads has it all.
Okay.
Like any other marketing platform, like Google, like LinkedIn, they all have it. The difference is Facebook is a little bit cheaper. However, if you're targeting to have like really, really low clients, yeah, that's a different thing. If you have a small budget, you have also to be creative. And if you're spending a lot of money for things that you're like, oh, I just want engagement. Okay, you want engagement, you want people to visit your website and you expect to spend the same money as your engagement budget. That doesn't work.
Okay.
So people who are claiming Facebook ads don't work and don't know how to do it.
See guys, this is what it is.
Yeah.
It's experience and it's creativity. And you know a lot about it, so to hear.
Yeah.
Can you give an example of a company you took over?
No, I'm not going to name my clients.
No?
No.
Pity.
You want to push my clients?
It's not for me. It's for the viewer.
The viewers. What are the viewers supposed to take? My clients are happy with where they are.
I think the best way is to make an appointment with ACIERO Digital Marketing.
I think they should go to our website and just contact us if they are really struggling with
for a free
ads.
First consult.
Now it's a consultation, and if we're fit, we can sign contracts to start working together.
Thank you very much. Nice conversation. Bye bye guys. See you later.